Hi guys, good morning. So today I'm here at the school of Magdugo, Toledo City. So proud representing of my Gen Z na nataoras siya karon kay recognition nila karon guys. So naa siya award of medal sa scouting sa iyang subject. Now we are here in nara diri si Gen Z. So with you guys, wala na ako ma-video ang tarong o pag-graduate ni Kuya Jan. So ako na ipakita niyo guys. So short video lang niya guys. So
Carl Joshua D. Villacarlos with honors. Congratulations. JD G. Villasanso with honors. Congratulations.
Stephen John Arawa Jr. with honors. He is also a recipient of the Community Service Award. Congratulations. Ian Jr. Bacalso with honors. Congratulations. Raymar Bastida with honors. Congratulations. Danilo Caballas Jr. with honors. Congratulations. Christian James Camuro.
So for now guys, so karon ang recognition of graduation ni Micaela o ni Gen Z nya complete uniform na siya guys sa graduation nila Micaela nya. So ako na lang mo escort ni Micaela kay busy man sa work ang si Habi. So sagi imong award din day? Wala. So ako na lang mo support mo sponsor mo taon ni Gen Z o mo escort ni Micaela. So karon kay atong pagkuha ni Jan is ni escort iyang papa kami duha. Then karon kay ako na lang kay Monday man ron, so dili gid maka-absent akong hobby kay para sa amuang para sa iyang work. So magsugod ni karon guys is 8 o'clock. So ang graduation is 1 o'clock kang para ni Micaela. She is a grade 10 and then soon is a grade 11 senior high. So okay guys, keep on watching. So na pasok ang mga honors.
Awardee and Girl Scouts awardee.
Guys, managid ilahang recognition. So na-medal si Gen Z so she got a medal 2, then nasa certification 3 kabuok 3 pieces. 3 pieces. So guys, muli nami kay later 1 o'clock graduation na sa di Micaela. So mupaso na sa ko guys. Guys, see you later. Bye Gen Z. Bye. Kailan nasa damo paso sa stage. So medyo guys, grabe ka init. Ganyan medyo sa init guys. So nagili sa ko kay para sa graduation ni Micaela, sa change mo kong outfit guys. Ganina kay ni Gen Z ko karon ni Micaela na siya. Kay mo paso mi sa stage. Kami wala may payong init kayo. Gen Z oh? baga ni gipon. Karon kay okay na iyang simod. Kaya mapaso naman siya. Okay. Sapit na sila mapasok si Michaela sa stage and together with parents na yung mga honors, guys. Now, nadadiri sila si Arnie din si Michaela. Sila na sa isunod na section. Tawag sa teacher sa stage. So, mapasok sa kugapil, guys. Kaya nasa honors si Michaela.
Michaela S. Laroa, PBLC awardee. Jaya A. Banggaan. Amanda Jenny by Queen. Jessica May Seaver 6.
Faculty and staff, parents, graduates, completers, ladies and gentlemen, the recessional. Opportunity. Again, after the march, all graduates and completers are requested to return to the covered court for a photo opportunity. Thank you.
Time to say goodbye. All the batch of grade 10 and grade 12. Michaela is crying. Manakot.
Pati na sa dito, Bella. Wala pa man sila na panahon.
Manakod eh, manakod, manakod.
Harapan.
Dagangan kayo ng graduate yun.
Siya! Dali! Dali, dali, dali!
Apel po din mula.
Ma, kwasok, ma! Ma, kwasok lang ni Lula Bartan ko na. Ah, wait, sir. Sukli.
Guys, this is the end of my video. So this is for the
Thanks
so guys,
for
this is for
Mama.
today. And this is my end of my video.
Bye guys.
So see you tomorrow in the school, in the elementary school, guys.
Bye.
I'm going to the school of elementary because we have a grade recognition day. So today, kanang mato ka sa school kay the teachers and principal was inviting me to join our program, the recognition day. So in the early in the morning, graduation day. So in the 1 o'clock is recognition day. So that's why nami karon diri naglakaw sa kainit sa panahon. Grabe guys, grabe gid kainit. So gikan ko nagluto og sapin-sapin kay nakoy order si Joanne nga usa ka volunteer mother. I think is na siya graduating student, si grade 6 student. So that maybe that kanang nag-celebrate sila gamay guys. So now guys, finally jud nga nag-graduate na jud ang mga bata, especially gid sa akong mga kids ni Jan, ni Michaela. So kanjan ni una na gid siya yung graduation, then ni Michaela was yesterday. So by the way, Jan, gusto lang ako niyo i-share guys, si Jan karon graduating na siya, graduate na gid siya sa grade 12 sa senior high. So dili pa siya ka eskwela karon guys, kay maybe next year or soon para mag-save lang sa siya money para po sa iyang school soon, kay di man na mo ma-afford ang iyang course guys. Labi na gid gusto siya mag-pilot sa airplane, so wala kay mi ka afford ani guys. So kay nang less hina juga imong income diri guys. So naami income guys, pero makakaon mi, makaon sa imong orad na siya guys, pero usahay maka short jud mi guys, you know, ay ni eskwela mga bata. So soon si Jan mo apply siya trabaho para maka-save siya sa para soon sa iyang pag-school. So by the way, in Michaela, she's going to senior high grade 11 next karong June. So eskwela will continue. Michaela's going to senior high. So and then Mitzi and Jency, si Jency is coming grade 8, and Mitzi she's going to grade 10. So graduating na po siya pohon guys next year. So then si Linda Marie is school na sad karon nga year, grade 10. And then si CG, Linda Marie she's going to kindergarten. Sorry guys. Then CG is going to a grade 3. So hard kayo yung life guys sometimes, you know, guys. Pinalitan din na sa mga guys is very expensive, other transportation, anything guys, anything here. Then that's why kanang dako jud kay katabang akong mga gagmay nga small business like peanut butter, like other orders like photo cheese like that and everything. So kinahanglan sa gid ko kapital. So may na lang guys na ginagmay, bahala ginagmay sa kanunay. So anyways, so karon pasilong mi diri karon sa landong nga mga kakhoyan kay grabe jud kainit diri sa among diri sa among lugar. Diri guys medyo mao gini siya guys, basta Bernie Santo. So then grabe jud kainit murag mamaak guys. So okay guys, later mga tanong sa school kay mapasa na sa ko sa stage guys. Keep on watching.
Phil Emmanuel P. Rizorti. Gabriel Steve B. Flores.
Enjoy this one.
Certificate of appreciation is presented to Jovalyn D. Rio.
Oh. Congrats.
In the same distinction, presented to Natividad E. Umampa.
Wala siya, wala.
In the same distinction, presented to Ronaldin N. Cabalse.
Wala man si Ronaldin.
Another certificate to Jocelyn D.
sila. Ay, si Joy!
Ayaw sa kanto, Jo. Jo! Marufe.
Naglakaw ko na.
With the same situation, the City Warrior presented to Juan A. Sasa.
Juan.
Juan Sasa.
Wala.
With the same situation, presented to Lovinia R. Umamba.
Ay.
With the same technique of City Warrior, Lourdes and Enoch. With the same technician presented to Michelle S. Aroa.
Oh.
Vivian, please receive the certificate. Mami Sherry Kwan. Another certificate of recognition is presented to Ivy Padilla as coach.
Manalang.
10th place.
So guys, uli na po. So, ako naman ang program. Uli na po guys. So, kaya mag-imog po peanut butter. Guys, this is for today. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys. Bye guys.